Hello everyone, myself Miss Priyanka Shahane and I am currently working as an assistant professor at SCTS Pune Institute of Computer Technology. In this video we are going to study basics of Python, under which we are going to cover our assignment number 2, that is to accept an object mass in kilograms and velocity in meters per second to display its momentum. This is my short introduction. Now let us go through our problem statement in detail. Our problem statement is to accept an object mass in kilograms and velocity in meters per second. So here we are going to take object mass in kilograms and velocity in meters per second as an input from our end user. And we have to display its momentum. So we need to calculate momentum. Momentum is calculated as E is equal to mc square, where m is the mass of object and c is its velocity. Now let us see the algorithm for calculation of momentum of an object. Our first step is start. Here we are going to initialize our program. In the second step we will accept mass in kilograms. In the third step we will accept velocity in meter per second. In the fourth step we will calculate momentum of an object with the help of formula E is equal to mc square, where m is the mass and c is the velocity of object. In the fifth step, we will print the momentum with the help of print function of Python. In the sixth step, we will terminate the execution. Now let us see the programmatic implementation for the same. In our first line of code, we have created variable named as m to store the value of mass entered by our end user. To take the value of mass as an input from end user, here we have used input function of Python. Inside this function, we have written message like enter mass of the object in kilograms, so that end user will come to know what he has to enter exactly. Every time value of the mass entered by end user will not be an integer number. It can also be a decimal number. In the Python, decimal numbers are stored with the data type float. So to change the data type to float, here we have used float function of Python. In the similar way, to store the velocity of object, here we have created variable c. To calculate the value of momentum, we have formula E is equal to mc square, where m is the mass and c is the velocity of object. So here we have taken square of c by using this double star operator and multiplied the value of m with square of c, and result of this operation will get stored inside variable e. Then to display value of momentum to end user, we have used print function of Python. Here we have written momentum message inside print function. Whatever we write inside quote marks gets printed as it is. Then we have written variable name. So this variable name will display value stored inside this variable. In the previous line of code, we have stored value of momentum inside variable e. So it will reflect the value of momentum. Let us see the execution for same. It is asking to enter the mass of object in kilograms. So I am entering 20 kg, and it is asking to enter velocity. So my velocity is 30 meter per second, and it has calculated momentum with the help of given formula. Thank you for watching.